what I liked about these is they have this pull off right here. My other ones had them down here and it just seemed like it got into the rod a little much. Let me just show you how these things work. Pretty solid Velcro right here. I got mine in a size large. They seem to fit pretty true to size. Yeah, they're a little thicker on the bottom right there. Let me show you holding on to a rod and reel. Feel really good. I don't see any issues with these things at all. One thing that I like about these is the fact that they do have the fingerless, so you could tie on hooks and things like that. See, I can hold on. Now, I wouldn't even be able to feel this line with normal gloves on, but using these, I can really feel how the line is right there. It's got the grip right where you need it, the way they put the grip right in there, and it's a grip along the edges of the thumb and finger right there. You still get to feel the tactile feel of a rod, and you can feel like any bite, so the sensitivity of a bite, you'll be able to feel it instead of having full finger gloves. Let me just take them off here and show you how easy these things come off. So they go like that. You're gonna grab these two right here. Watch this. That's the easiest fingerless gloves I've ever taken off. Like I said, my other ones had them down there and it was really kind of, they got in the way of holding onto the rod and reel. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing fingerless fishing gloves. See you all in the next video.